Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we're immersing ourselves into the charming world of farmhouse decorating, where rustic simplicity meets timeless elegance. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of reclaimed wood, the beauty of vintage finds, or the coziness of country-inspired decor, I have got a plethora of ideas to help you transform your home into a cozy and inviting farmhouse retreat. Let's start our journey with the heart of the farmhouse, the kitchen. Farmhouse kitchens are all about blending practicality with charm, creating a space that is both functional and welcoming. Consider incorporating elements like open shelving, farmhouse sinks, the butcher block countertops for a rustic and inviting look. Now, let's talk about the allure of farmhouse living rooms. Farmhouse living rooms are the perfect blend of comfort and style, creating a cozy and inviting space for relaxation and entertaining. Consider incorporating natural materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and jute for a rustic and earthy feel. Add comfortable seating with overstuffed sofas, plaid armchairs, and cozy throws for a touch of warmth and comfort. Moving on to the importance of farmhouse bedrooms. Farmhouse bedrooms are all about creating a serene and tranquil retreat that invites rest and relaxation. Consider incorporating soft and natural colors like whites, creams, and grays for a calming and soothing atmosphere. Now, let's explore the beauty of farmhouse bathrooms. Farmhouse bathrooms are all about creating a spa-like oasis that feels cozy and inviting. Consider incorporating elements like clawfoot tubs, subway tiles, and pedestal sinks for a vintage-inspired look. Complete the look with soft and fluffy towels, decorative soaps, and fresh flowers for a luxurious and relaxing experience that feels like a getaway in the countryside. Speaking of getaways, let's talk about the allure of farmhouse-inspired outdoor spaces. Farmhouse outdoor spaces are all about creating a cozy and inviting retreat that celebrates the beauty of nature. Consider incorporating elements like woven pergolas, stone pathways, the cozy seating areas for a rustic and charming vibe. Add decorative accents like lanterns, string lights, and potted plants for a touch of farmhouse chic. Complete the look with a fire pit, outdoor dining area, and lush landscaping for a cozy and inviting space that's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Now, let's discuss the importance of farmhouse-inspired decor accents. Farmhouse decor accents are the perfect way to add warmth and character to your home. Consider incorporating elements like vintage signs, distressed wood, and glamorized metal for a rustic and charming look. Add cozy textiles like cable knit throws and woven baskets for a touch of farmhouse coziness. Complete the look with fresh flowers, greenery, and farmhouse-inspired artwork for a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels like home. As we continue our journey through these farmhouse decorating ideas, remember that the key is to create a space that reflects your personality, style, and lifestyle. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of rustic elements, the charm of vintage finds, or the coziness of country-inspired decor, there's a farmhouse decorating idea waiting to elevate your home. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy decorating. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.